beat that. Okay, this particular engine from V-Twin happens to be part number 10-4147. This has your 4-bolt big linkered carburetor, your 4-bolt 1.5-inch piece with the big intake ports and such, with the later support. Yet we still have the early look to the bottom. So this is an excellent running engine as such. Coming right down nice. See, by retarding the spark, you make it labor. Pretty good. Fully advanced. Those were good. That's about as low as you want to go. Okay, that baby's ready to go. And that's it. Runs really well, Rob. And our brass washer's working excellent. This is a nice carb, Rob, because this has the knuckle arm and everything. This is all set up for Knucklehead, whereas everything in your box over there is really panhead. I don't have any complaints. Not gonna beat that.